I wholeheartedly express my Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. An incredible moment of my life has come to a reality today, for which I bow my head to that Almighty for His grace always. The feeling of empathy, kindness was inculcated in me by my mother, right from my childhood when I was just 5-6 years old. And that ideals which she inculcated in me has been the ideals of my life until today. In this connection, I just want to express a Quranic ayah. Please permit me to recite that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi arhamma kama rabbayani saghira. O Lord, treat my parents with the care. Please take care of my parents with so much care, the way my parents took care of me during my childhood. Whatever ideals, whatever values she taught me during my childhood has been what I am today. In this connection, as far as the poverty which I have seen in my life, particularly the one instance which impacted me so much until today, when I was just 6-7 years old. My mother used to send food packages to her relatives who were quite poor, living in the distant villages. To go there, I have to go by walk. Sometimes I used to get government bus, sometimes I don't, but I used to walk 5 to 10 kilometers with my grandma. Once it so happened, I went to my Mausi house. The scene which I saw over there is something unforgettable until today. It was lunchtime and the children were, my Mausi was serving the broth of rice broth which she has brought from the neighbors to her children. There was nothing in the house. And when I went over there with the food packets, she embraced me as if God has sent something as an angel to her. That instant has had a very serious impact on my mind, and till now I keep remembering that and try to help those people in distress. Like me, there are thousands of people in the society serving much better than what I have been doing. But I'm very thankful to God for having blessed me with this prestigious award. But I feel that there are many more people who deserve this instead of me. In taking it with full awareness, I take this opportunity to dedicate this prestigious award to those unsung heroes who fought, particularly during this pandemic, facing dangerous challenges, risking their lives, some of whom lost their lives. I dedicate this prestigious award to them. My honest request to all you people, particularly the young generation, to just spend a few minutes of your life, particularly in a day, towards those people in distress. Then you will realize what is the actual reality of life. And then when you do something like this, the happiness and the bliss which you feel, it is something unimaginable. It is much more than crores. So I request my young brothers and sisters to come into the field of charity and inculcate this habit into your children, so that many more poor people in distress can get benefited. With these few words, I complete my few words with a small shairi in Urdu. रोते हुए आए थे हम, हंसता रहा सारा मकान, कुछ काम जीवन में ऐसा करे कि हम चले जाए हंसते हुए, रोता रहा सारा जहां।